Hi, I'm Brian.
I'm Michelle.
And we are in Ocean City, Maryland. And we are going to show you how you could spend 48 hours here in Ocean City.
And where does this venture begin? Right here at the Boardwalk.
It's the place that's hot and happening.
The Boardwalk in Ocean City dates all the way back to 1902, and the Travel Channel and National Geographic have named it one of the best in the USA. Some of the restaurants have been around for more than 100 years, and there's tons of family entertainment for everyone.
No.
From classic attractions like the Whip to the merry-go-round, there's lots to do. And there's lots of new attractions for thrill seekers, like roller coasters, the high ropes course, and of course the Ferris wheel, which is one of the best places to catch the sunset.
Quest of the best beaches from Key West to Bar Harbor. Today we bring you to, what's the name of this park?
Delaware State Beach Park.
Well, it's got Delaware and beach in the name. And it is in Delaware, and there is a beach. So far, truth in advertising.
Delaware State Park. I'll Delaware Shore State Park. Delaware Shore State Park.
Something like that.
I feel good about that.
So let's check out the beach here in Delaware. You can apparently drive on the beach. We've seen several cars. And also worth noting here, the weekend of July 4th, is that it is horseshoe crab spawning season. And horseshoe crabs have washed up on the beach. Some of them due to spawning stress, we've read during in the newspaper article. So apparently it's very stressful to be a horseshoe crab and expected to spawn a lot. You can Google that. What did we figure out the name of the park was?
Delaware Seashore State Park.
Delaware Seashore State Park.
Yes.
And this is a beautiful beach.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It has a totally different vibe than any beach we've been to so far.
No services.
Yeah, no services, but we're at the state park for this beach. So there are a couple of restaurants. You can camp right here. You're not on the ocean side. You're on the bay side. But and you're right on the water.
Up the way a little bit, further up the one, north or further down south, there are several cities with lots of tourist stuff here in Delaware. So you get all those services. You just don't get them right on the beach.
Yeah,
so if you're coming to the beach, you would need to bring everything self-contained for the day.
But the nice part is, like, if you stay at the state park, you can just go down to Ocean City, half an hour. If you don't like how touristy Ocean City is, there's a great little town. You need to write it below because I can't remember the name of it.
Just a little north of here.
Dewey Beach, that's what it was. And that had a great vibe. I really liked that. It was smaller. And the whole area has beach access. The sand is easy to walk on.
Sand is easy to walk on.
You can drive your car on this beach. And you're at the ocean.
Well, and I suspect even on a busy day at this state park, there's not nearly as many people as there would be down at Ocean City and the beaches around there.
But we are going to check for you how good the restaurant is.
Yes.
Because today's adventure is not only this beach, but it's that restaurant.
And I'm looking for some crabs.
The crab cakes, right?
Take what I can get. Thank you. Seriously, State Park Beach concession stand. And Michelle has grilled shrimp tacos.
We are headed to Assateague Island, National Seashore, to see horses, the beach. There is a state park here as well, State Park.
We are going to a beach on the Saturday of 4th of July weekend. This may be a terrible adventure.
No, there's no such thing as a terrible adventure.
We found a parking space.
I thought it was actually pretty wide open here. There's 3 other parking lots and they were totally full.
By the way, I forgot.
Oh.
So we got to the campground, or the beach, and there is evidence of horses in the area, if you know what I'm saying. Wink, wink.
Yeah, don't walk in it. You're
Yeah, I'm about to walk in some of that evidence. There are pit toilets over here. There's a little concessions area where you can buy snacks and drinks and ice and stuff. And we're about to hit the beach. Michelle, how's the water?
It's really cold.
So what we're saying is the Atlantic Ocean is cold once you are in New England.
Yes.
This is the Bayside Campground, and the sites are all primitive as far as we can tell. My favorite thing though are these horse-proof picnic tables where you put all your food, anything that would be smelly, inside the picnic table. There are at least 2 sites with electric and water. There may not be any more than that, but there are at least 2. It is now 3 o'clock. The beach is packed, as is the parking lot. There are no parking spots left. I guess make up your own.
Hey, guess what? There's gonna be one more spot left. It's the Audi.
Yes, we outie.
We're going to the pool. You know why we're going to the pool?
Tiki bar.
So I can get rid of all the sand that I got in here in my ears.
Michelle has sand in all of her nooks and crannies.
All of them.
The Instagram pose. Go ahead. Point your toe more. Now, if it were really the Instagram pose, the water would splash on top of you, splash flash dance style.